皆さん、こんにちは。Joanna です。Here I am today in a new video, and today I wanted to show you a very cool Google extension that is called Language Reactor. It's a double subtitle feature that you can use with your Google Chrome. So yes, we will talk about that, and you will see how you can use it to learn. Let's go! Okay, so what is the Language Reactor? Well, actually, I think many people are using it currently. The double subtitle feature that you can put in your Google Chrome is basically that when you're seeing a movie or watching some TV series, you can put double subtitles. For example, if you are learning English and you're from Spain, like I am, and you would like to see for example, the series in English, but you don't understand everything, you can put the subtitles in English and then you can also put them in Spanish. So that is what basically a double subtitle is. And the most cool out of there, it's for sure Language Reactor. So let me show you how cool it is and why is it so cool. First of all, it's completely free. You don't have to pay anything. It's a free extension of Google. So you just go to their webpage, you just put it in your Google Chrome, and then you turn it on in your extension. After that, you can use Language Reactor with Netflix. That's the only thing that it's not that good because you can only use it with Netflix and you can use it with some YouTube videos, but I've been checking and it doesn't work that well. But definitely on Netflix, it works perfectly. So let's say, for example, I want to see, for example, the new Doraemon movie. Yes, let's see the Doraemon movie, for example, because it's something simple that you could start, let's say, using to learn. So first of all, let me put it. You will have, once you've put the extension to your Google, this button here will appear in your Netflix and also in your YouTube. So you just press it on and then you go over here and you put like the language of the Netflix movie needs to be, for example, if you want, we are here for Japanese, so if you want to learn Japanese, it needs to be in Japanese. And then the language of the subtitles on Netflix also needs to be in Japanese. After that, where you have the language of translation, there is where you put your native language, English, Spanish, etc. Once you have it on, you will see that. I don't want to make spoiler, but can you see? Wait, I will put it in English better for us over here. English. Yeah, done. Okay, so let's go at for example, some place that they are talking or something. So as you can see, you have it here in Japanese, and then over here you have it in English. But it's not only that. Let's imagine that you don't know some word. For here, not so simple, but let's go over. ちょっと待って。For example, here we have more words, or let's imagine you don't know what are is. So if you put your mouse over here, it will say to you what it is. And if you press it, are. It pops up this kind of dictionary. So you can actually check it. Are, that, it says the word, it gives you examples. Yoisho. Good. De. So it doesn't work with all the words because, guys, there is grammar here, so this very cool extension will not be able to tell you everything. But for sure, the words, Mirai, it works like a charm. So I wanted to tell you about this. I wanted to tell you about this very cool Google extension because it's very useful to use to learn Japanese. You're watching something, you can listen it in Japanese, but both Japanese and English in the subtitles. So it's very, very cool, and I 100% recommend it. So thank you very much for watching this video, and see you in another one. Mata ne! Bye bye! Arigato!